All right, guys, we got Victor here. He's going to do a box of 2016 Preferred Football. Good luck, good luck. Good luck to the guinea pig. All right. 5 cards per pack. Again, 4 autos. Box out of this stuff. All right, silhouette on top. 21 of 99. Sammy Coates. 21 of 99. Sammy Coates. Rookie autograph. 4 of 25 on card. Cody Kessler. Where quarterbacks go to die. Cleveland Brownies. Redemption. Rookie silhouettes. Card number 98. Tyler Ervin. /25. Scooby Wright. Color guard signatures. Shiny. And booklet. We got some good names on here. Quarterbacks /199. Goff, Wentz, Lynch, Hackenberg, Cook, and 12 gauge. Cardell Jones. 6-way jersey book. All right, buddy. I appreciate it. If I can get you anything else, let me know.